Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this video, we are talking about array indexing. We all know every programming language is having a concept of index values. So we will see how we can extract values or elements from an array using indexing and slicing. So I hope you will enjoy this video.
Now let us continue with NumPy and we are discussing array indexing now. Indexing is very important concept. Indexing is basically if you have some elements in an array and let's suppose those elements are 1 and 2 and 4. So I will say that 1 is at 0 index. Okay. And similar way, the element 2 is at first index. So indexing is like this, and it starts from 0 in Python programming, and in most of the programming languages it actually starts with 0 only. In few programming languages it can start with 1. So let us quickly import NumPy. So import NumPy as np, and after that let us create an array. So array creation is now simple, and I'm just revising it, that whenever you are creating an array, you need to use some function of NumPy, that is np.array you can use, or different functions we have seen in the other videos. Now I have to pass a list or a collection type inside that particular function. So I'll be passing here a list only, and the list would be something like this. Let's say items is equal to, I can directly pass a list or I will create a list and I can pass it. Both are the good ways. So this is the outer list I have created, and inside it I'll be creating 3 rows. The first row is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having these 4 elements as 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll be creating another row with 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is another row I have created. After that, I'll be creating one more row, and that is 9, 10, 11, and 12. You can see that I'm putting commas over here in order to create rows. So a list I have created, and this list I need to pass. How do I need to pass? A is equal to np dot array, array array, and here inside it I need to pass that list. As I said, you can type in the whole list over here, or you can just create a list and pass the variable name of that particular list. So that is what I have done over here. And now let me do print and a. So you can see that my whole array has got printed over here, displayed over here. Further, I will be doing the indexing and slicing for this, and that I can do with the help of print statement, or let me store that sliced array into some other variable. So b is equal to, and I'll do slicing over here. So a, and then square brackets I need to use it. So if I make use of square brackets, then what happens? Even if I remove this and I try to show you that if I just put square brackets and try to display, then it would be probably giving me an error, because it is expecting that I have not put anything inside it. So it is expecting that I should put something inside it. Let's say I put 0 over there and then I run it. So you can see it is giving me 0, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the first row. It is showing me the first row. This is indexing. Okay, 0th row it is showing me. Similar way, if I want, I can get the first row, second row. Okay, so first row I have got. And if you want all the rows, then basically you need to put a colon over there. A colon basically means if you put something before the colon and something after the colon, they define the start and end positions. But if you do not put anything, that means from beginning to end. And now if you want to start with first one, just put 1 over here and then press execute it. So you can see first row and second row, it is bringing up 0th index position row. It is not bringing up that. So this basically works with rows. And now if you want 0th row and if you want to work with 0th column, so 0th row, 0th column means this is 0th row and this is 0th column. Only one is about to come now. So if I execute this, you can see that I'm only getting one. So only one I have got over here. And if I want all the columns, so I can write colon, 0 colon and enter. If I don't write anything after that, that means everything I can get. So the first part, this basically is for rows, and after comma, the second part is for columns. Indexing is putting up a single value. Slicing it, slicing is basically putting up a colon and giving the start value and the end value. Let's say I want, in this particular case, in this array, we have only three rows. If I add one more row, I'm adding another row over here, and that row is 13, comma 14, comma 15, comma 16. So I have added one more row, and let's add another, that is 17 and 18 and 19 and 20. So multiple rows I have added. And now in this case, I want here that column should be from 0 to only 2. So 0 will be included and I will put 3 over here. So columns, if you see, I'm just getting 0, 1 and 2. 0 is 1 at 0 position. At first position we have 2. At second position we have 3. And if I want from 0 to 2. So I will put here 0 colon 2. So 0 to 1 I'll get. So row number 0 and row I am getting first also. So 0th and first row I'm getting. So this is slicing, that you can get a part of the array. And when we are performing some operations on data, it is important that we should be able to do this. Indexing has got different ways which can be explored and which can be worked upon, but this is the primary and basic way that how indexing can be done. So that's it in this particular video. Keep watching, we will come up with more such interesting videos. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can write down to us in the comment section below. You can like this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.